Today is the day of the shoot. Super excited. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So as it turns out, one of our favorite dresses did not show up. And so I'm really just trying to creatively envision where each dress is going to take place. We scouted the venue yesterday, and so we're getting ready to see how it's gonna go. I'm really sad about that one dress. But at first I need coffee so my brain can fully turn on. So we have our coffee and we are just enjoying this beautiful view and really setting up the day to be as beautiful and productive as possible, full of light and love, and just really getting your mind in the right place. It's still kind of like this behind the building, and that's a little bit softer.
So we're like 45 minutes from there.
That'll show us where the sun is.
But depending on when we start, but I definitely think like this kind of light. Do you like this almost like ghostly? It's almost like
No, I don't like.
It's too dark.
Yeah.
Did you guys just arrive here? That's it. I would also encourage you guys to go out to the.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so
It was
much.
lovely meeting you guys in person.
You as well. Not the rocks.
Not this spot?
No, not this spot.
Okay.
Rider, it kind of loses the water.
Then the water just gets blown out. Over there.
If you want her against the, which dress do you see her against the wood?
The wood. You're talking about like that, like the building, or
Yeah.
like? I think it'd be cool to try the black dress, but like we can move her away from that first. We don't have to do it that way.
Okay. Yeah, I would just come out here.
It was a great night last night. Thank you.
I'll let you know. But what you were doing just now would be awesome. I'm gonna play with my composition and like where I'm standing just to make sure that.
So I can just stay
Yep.
this way? Okay, let me know if you want me to turn around. I just know with the dress it's gonna be a second to reset.
Yeah. No, you're perfect. What you were doing with the dress actually was perfect. Yeah, exactly. Rotate your body towards me just a little bit. Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. That same thing, kind of just playing with it.
I really liked the sweatshirt.
Beautiful.
I got it at the mission.
Beautiful. Wow. And straight on. I'm here with you. And
Can you shoot some horizontal too?
oh yeah. Oh, so cool. Kind of look this way slightly. Beautiful. Yep. Love
See
that.
the color of like.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Like
And then, we have to bring this arm this way. Yep. Am I gone?
Oh, that's nice.
No, you're good.
The
yeah.
double.
Oh my God. We've really been playing with the light and doing what I think most photographers are afraid of,
I know.
which is having the light right in front of the model.
Right.
But our beautiful lady here is perfect for it.
Sun's not too harsh out here, huh?
Yes. Towards me to set it. Yep. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. That's great. My gosh. Okay. Yes. I'm just gonna take a whole bunch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like y'all have good news, y'all ain't know.
Yeah.
Crikey's, mate! The first time ever seen in its natural environment.
I mean, yeah, I think so. My settings are a little warm.
You want me to just leave it? Yeah. Is this like, does it
Yeah. Like kind of like wrap it, like almost like there. Yeah, that's pretty.
Devin, what do you think? If I'm gonna have, yeah, I feel like pose. Kind of lean back slightly. This is awesome for like the hair. This is awesome for like the hair. Yep, beautiful. Not quite so much because of the, yeah. Look to your left. Yep. Perfect, got it. All right. Look right at me. Gorgeous. It's just so surreal to see this all come together. It's been 3 days of magic, and my favorite part has definitely been the fashion. That just fills me up so much. I love the movement and the playfulness and like the connection with the subject, and of course, you know, it's the whole team. It's the synergy of the whole team, and that's why it's so important whenever you do editorials, the people that you work with are like-minded, that they are of good spirit and good personality and character, and they're just all about the team. You know, it's not about one person shining. It's really about taking into account, like, okay, I'm always showing Daniel, hey Daniel, do you like this? How do you feel about this? You know, I'll have students sometimes talk to me where they're like, you know, that's just not my style. I don't shoot that way. And I think that that is such a limiting perspective. I think it's really about the collective effort, because everyone on this team has brought something so instrumental to the table, from the way Kenney has done the hair and the makeup and his way of shining his light, and Daniel with his vision, and, you know, my artistry, and then of course Devin right here. You know, he's my rock, and he's getting the behind the scenes, and he is what, you know, has supported me through this journey. People in your life, you know, it's like it's all of us. A rising tide lifts all boats, and we are really all in this journey together.
On a medium format?
It is.